Rob, imagine we lived in a strange world where everything doubled. You're twice as tall, cars are twice as long, trees are twice as wide. What would happen to your weight?
Well, I guess that would double too, or am I being too simple about this?
Yeah, well,
I suspect a trick.
It's not really a trick, but just think of a matchbox, for example. A matchbox will be double the height, but if everything doubles, it also doubles in width as well.
I see. And I suppose double in thickness.
It certainly does. And so the new matchboxes in this strange, enchanting world will be this size. That's the volume. In fact, much heavier than they were to begin with. How many times heavier than an original matchbox?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times heavier.
Yes, in this new world, everything will be 8 times as heavy as it was to begin with. What if we went to another world where everything tripled? What would happen to your weight? You might need paper and pencil or even a calculator to work it out.
I want to know. Curiosity.